This is my presentation on Crater Lake. Crater Lake was created as a result of an eruption from Mount Mazama. Yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it. Mount Mazama was located in Washington. I included a map of the United States so you can see the area. Here is another image, an older image of the lake. The lake was created about 7,700 years ago when the volcano erupted. It is a composite volcano, which is why it resulted in such a big crater. It has not gone off in an estimated 6,600 years. However, the last eruption did result in mass destruction. Magma and ash covered 12 cubic miles surrounding the area, and ash was estimated to have spread as far as Canada and other Northwest states. There's a figure on the right that shows a little bit of what happened. The volcano erupted when the North American plate was, when the Juan de Fuchsia plate was subducted under the North American plate. Mazama started as a group of smaller volcanoes that grew into a large volcano. The volcano had its last major eruption 7,700 years ago. There was another eruption 4,800 years ago that was less devastating. That was actually estimated to be the last one. I think in a previous slide I said it was 6,600 years ago. But throughout history there has been an eruption every couple thousand years, and depending on who you ask, they say it was the last one. It has been inactive, or it had been inactive for nearly 20,000 years leading up to the last major eruption, the one that wiped out the entire area. Human and environmental impacts. All the life in the vicinity of the mountain was destroyed with the last major eruption when it covered the 12 square miles surrounding the area. All of the landscape and life was devastated. The indigenous people had occupied the area for thousands of years leading up to the eruption. They had no idea. Human and plant life have occupied the area for thousands of years, and as many people know, Crater Lake is now basically a tourist site in Washington. And there are my resources for my presentation.